Hey guys, we're going to go over our cable single arm rotational row. Now I'm in front of a cable pulley machine. You're probably going to hear a little bit of noise when I go through this. That's just because my cable stack isn't as big or isn't as long as you're going to find in the gymnasium. So you're going to hear some noise, but you won't hear that when you're actually in the gym. The other thing is that my cable lower attachment, it was only about my kneecap high. You can go anywhere between kneecap high and like belly button high for this rotational row. You probably can go a little bit further on either end of that as well, but just so it's more of a horizontal row as opposed to being on an angle, basically kneecap to belly button would be just fine. All right, so I'm gonna get up here. I'm gonna try and guess that what the correct position is gonna be so I don't get too much noise. I'm in a split stance. I want alignment with my spine, so double chin, pull the rib cage down to your belt buckle. Shoulders are slightly down and back into your back pocket. Now from here, I'm gonna go slow for the first one. I'm gonna initiate the row with my scap. Okay, my shoulder blade is moving towards my spine, and then I'm gonna bend my arm and I'm gonna rotate at the same time. I'm actually gonna probably rotate on this back foot as well, so my hips are facing the camera. I'm gonna go down slow, get a stretch. Now if I'm at the gym, I'll probably get a little bigger stretch than this, but it's unfortunate as far as I can go here at home. And then back. Okay, I'm gonna go back a tiny bit and see what happens here. So first scap and then bring the arm. There it is. Okay, guys, that is your cable single arm rotational row.